Hi there, how are you doing? Hope everything is good at your end, and I'm sure life is great for you. And even if it's not, let's make it happen. So, friends, let me ask you a couple of straight questions. What is that one step you can take to make your content go viral? Do you converse with your customers often in order to add value to their life? Do you implement your marketing tactics without employing anyone? Do you know the best way to compete is to collaborate? Have you ever wondered why your prospects don't find you in their online searches? Dear friends, if you are a SME owner or a micro SME owner or a solo professional or a corporate professional, you are at the right place. Here we talk about business fundamentals, strategies, tactics, and resources which will not only help your organization to grow exponentially but also will support your employees to nurture themselves holistically with right knowledge, skill, and attitude. Hello and welcome to Atlantis Biz Talk, the show that helps you to reimagine, reignite, and reinvent your business. I am your host Piyush Kanti Mukherjee, also known as Pikamo. And today we are going to talk about a series on marketing tactics. We will discuss the ins and outs of tactics which can increase your revenue, and that too without spending much, and also many of which you can do it yourself without requiring any help from others. And also today we will be offering our friends a special surprise at the end. Be sure to listen all the way through for the details. So friends, let's begin. Tactic number 1. Take pictures. They say a picture speaks 1,000 words. If you can take pictures of your business, the way you do it is to take pictures of your staff and customers as they are doing business with you. Take pictures of any events and functions you have going on and post them on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and your business website. Doing this allows people to share your photos with the share and like buttons. This is called viral marketing. Tactic number 2. Simply saying hi. Just getting to know your customers is one way to get repeat business and a word of mouth marketing. Asking them questions about how their day is going can go a long way in getting another person to spread your brand. You can also share some tips and quotes with your potential and regular customers to generate repeat and new business. You can also share some tips and quotes with your potential and regular customers to generate repeat new business. Tactic number 3. College marketing student. There are many college students these days. They are looking to show the world their talents in marketing. If you are tight on a marketing budget, then think about contacting a college marketing student and ask them for an internship. Now, if they can implement some new marketing strategies for you, then maybe as your business grows, you can hire them full time. Here's your host Pikamu once again from Atlantis Biz Talk, the show that helps you to reimagine, reignite, and reinvent your business. Here's your host Pikamu once again from Atlantis Biz Talk, the show that helps you to reimagine, reignite, and reinvent your business. Tactic number 4. Joint ventures. This is one of my favorite ways to gain free marketing when it comes to growing your business in a metro area. Why not go out and network with other businesses around town who are surrounding your niche? Meaning, if you are in a beauty salon business, then you might want to network with other stores such as nail salons, women clothing stores, tanning venues, women book clubs, and so on and so forth. We did the same by joining hands with other institutes in different areas of Mumbai to provide our job guarantee and business growth courses. From here, you can contact all local businesses in your area, such as here in Mumbai. I am using these as an example because this is my local market. But this can still work in your state, city, or town just the same. Contact them, set up a place for you guys to meet, like in the CCD or their office place, and explain to them that you have a great way for all you guys to gain more clients by joint venture. Basically, it comes down to giving your business card out to all the other local businesses that attend this meeting and have them refer business to you. Plus, you will do the same, and before you know, it will start to gain more clients. And the best part about it is that it's all free marketing. Tactics number 5. Publish articles. Creating articles around your business is a pretty easy to do if you know you are marketing inside out. Not to get so much into SEO and the teaching on how to get your website to rank number 1 for a given keyword, but it will be wise to find a keyword that centers around your local market. By doing so, once the search engines index your article, it can have the possibility of being found. Now, let's say your business is a car dealership and is located in Mumbai. When you have something like this, you have a better chance of getting local traffic from the search engines is to use a local keyword such as Mumbai City Car Dealership. All you have to do is write a 500 word or more article of your industry. Next, if you don't have website, publish it on your LinkedIn profile and share it through Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. to gain more visibility. Here's your host Pikamo once again from Atlantis BizTalk, the show that helps you to reimagine, reignite and reinvent your business. Friends, in this episode of Atlantis BizTalk, we have covered the following 5 marketing tactics. Take pictures. Simply saying hi. College marketing student. Joint ventures. And publish articles. So friends, please share your views about this episode in our Facebook group www.facebook.com/Atlantis BizLife. ATLANTISBIZLIFE. And a few lucky friends will get a surprise in their mailbox. And also send your questions to our email ID info@atlantisbusinessacademy.com. Till then, goodbye and keep on reimagining, reigniting and reinventing yourself.